Okay, so it's my first time ever in Scottsdale, and it's Super Bowl Sunday. We have zero, zilch, nada, none plans. Honey, can you come in with me, please?
There's nothing planned except for we have to go to the Fashion Square to go shopping. We have to eat lunch. We have to go to the gym. We have to go on a hike. Then we have to find a sports bar, and then we have to do something else. But other than that, there's nothing planned. First time in Scottsdale.
I was actually going to ask your Wes what we should do and where we should go watch Super Bowl. Come back in here telling the damn truth. Do we have plans where we're watching Super Bowl?
We have
concrete
none
plans.
plans. Nothing is planned. We're asking y'all for what we should do on the day.
Are you calling me a liar?
I'm sorry, Instagram. We would love to know what we should do today because we have no plans.
And the outfits. Johnny, show them your shoes. Show them your shoes. Do the shoe thing. Do the shoe thing.